Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to add multi-language in Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to add multi-language in Shopify. Go to Shopify App Store. Search here, Translator. Here you can find many translator apps available. I'm selecting this first one, Transci AI Language Translate. Click on it. Install this app. Install again and integrate in store. You can see app is successfully integrated. Click on Add Language and select the language you want based on the country. Now I'm selecting all the countries. Click on I have done this. The second option is to change the currency. You can skip this step, but you have the option to add it if you want. I'm skip this option. Click on Final Step. Now switch to on this app in store. Now go to your store and preview it. Here you can see that multiple languages are successfully available along with their respective currencies, which is a great feature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.